Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today onwards I am starting with a Java basic concepts. So you can expect weekly 3 topics from me. First I'll explain in the notebook and then I'll also explain in the coding too if it is required. So topics will be clear for you. So as part of today's discussion, we will start with what is Java. So Java is a programming language. So using this Java, we can create a standalone applications as well as web applications. Nowadays, we can also create microservices. So standalone application, something like desktop application we can open and we can run our code. Web applications means required internet through browser we can access, and microservices means services that Java will provide. It will be interacted with the different microservices. That microservices can be written in any language. So these are the main advantages and currently running applications using Java. So Java is a widely used programming language. So since we are telling widely used programming language, so why Java is widely used? Why and what are the uses? What are the advantages? So coming to the advantages, so first advantage we can say is platform independent. Now, what do you mean by platform independent? So we have a Windows machines as well as Mac OS, that is like Apple, and Linux. So through commands we can run anything. So these are like, let's consider these are the 3 different softwares operating systems we have. So consider if you are writing code in Windows machine, so it can be compatible with Windows as well as Mac OS as well as Linux. That means if you write code in one operating system, it can use anywhere. So this is called platform independent. And second one, huge number of functions we have in Java. So due to this huge number of functions, there is already a functionality is implemented. Whenever we are trying to implement our own application, we will be using those existing functionality that is already been implemented by Java developers. So these are the main 2 advantages that we can say why this Java is that much popular. Thanks for watching. In next day we will see what is required to run Java in our machine. That's all guys for this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for upcoming session so you will be clear with the topics.